Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this one we're talking about how to fix Cash App blocking payments. So if you've ever had your Cash App block payments for your protection, you know how annoying it is. The app does this automatically when its security system flags a transfer as suspicious to prevent fraud. I'll show you how to fix it and get your money moving again. So the absolute fastest way to clear a blocked payment is to verify the transaction manually inside your account dashboard. So just look at the bottom right corner of your Cash App home screen and tap on the Activity tab. Then just scroll through your history ledger to find the specific transaction that was declined or cancelled, and tap on it. If Cash App flagged it for security, it will show a prompt asking if you recognize the payment. Tap Yes, I recognize to verify your identity. This instantly whitelists the merchant or recipient, telling the system's algorithm that you are explicitly authorizing the transfer. Now, if your payments are still failing, the issue usually comes down to account compliance or a weak network state. Cash App's security filters are incredibly strict about fraud tracking. Open your profile settings and verify that any linked debit cards, credit cards, or bank accounts are registered under your exact legal name. If you try to use a card belonging to a family member or a friend, the system will instantly flag it as a stolen credential and log down the payment. Also guys, make sure you go to the App Store or Google Play Store to check that your app is fully updated. And once your details match up and you authorize the pending block, your account should be back to normal. Guys, if this quick fix helped, make sure to like the video and thank you for watching.